U.S. aircraft carrier USS Nimitz staged combined naval exercises with South Korea in international waters off the southern island of Jeju on March 27, on a day North Korea fired 2 short-range ballistic missiles off its east coast. The carrier is scheduled to arrive at a South Korean naval base in Busan on March 28 in its first docking in South Korea in nearly 6 years, partly to mark the 70th anniversary of the alliance, Seoul's defense ministry said. In September, another aircraft carrier USS Ronald Reagan visited the port. Rear Admiral Christopher Sweeney, commander of the strike group, did not specify how it detects and responds to North Korean missile tests, but said it was well informed about such activities, with the vessel serving as a command and control center gathering information across all domains from space to the undersea.